Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Balatron and today we got a puncher. You see this? Right there, look. It's just flashing up on the dash like a nutcase saying we got 1.8 bar, and I'm like, really? So we've got a puncher in the back tyre and I've got to fix it somehow. Luckily I've got a puncher repair kit, but I've got to get that out. Looks like a nail or something. So let's get the old stuff out to sort out the puncher. I did go to Scotland, by the way, and that was a good little trip. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. What have we got in this little bag of destiny? Any pliers? Because I'm going to need them. Don't think we got pliers. So how am I going to dig that out? I need that. Definitely need this. And these weird little things I've never used before. Okay, well it seems this place doesn't have any pliers to get that out of there, so I need to do some magical stuff. I'm thinking using this to try and wedge it out sideways, but I don't want to break this because I might need that, which I will need that actually. Yeah, that's in there. That's in there. There we go, it's coming up. There we go. Come on. And dig it out somehow. Yeah, it's coming up. God, it's a big old piece of metal. Come on. What about this? Get underneath it and pull it out maybe? Come on. Come on. I need some pliers or something. Well, this was working, but I'm sure you have to put that in there and push it through, and then, but I don't want to damage this because I might need it. Just a pair of pliers would be nice. You normally carry them, Lee. What's going on? Come on. Right. I'm going to have to make a phone call, get my best mate to come and drop me a pair of pliers off. Luckily I'm only local. Waiting. Come on Dave, where are you? It's getting flatter. Look at it. It's almost gone. Missing the pliers. Run that thingy-majigger in and out. Put a bit of glue on this one. Pull it out. And it should pop out a little thingy-majigger. And then cut it off. And it should all be good. Luckily, I'm by a tyre machine. So I've got no need to use for the CO2, which I do not think would fill the tyre up anyway. There is no way that fill your tyre up with enough pressure to ride. I might be mistaken, but I can't see it. All good fun. Ooh! Give me those.
You might be better with that if you can get it.
Come on, you tart.
If not.
Oh, hang on, I might got it here. Hey! Oh my god! Oh, yatta!
Got it? That's a foil.
Is he?
It's a foil.
Why is there a foil in my tyre?
I don't know.
Oh.
I would stay, but I'm not too big.
No, you're right. You can have those back. Give me that back now. I'm going to keep that as a souvenir, I think. Nice one, Paul. Legend. Get in there. There we go. Get in. Just poke another hole in it, why not? There we go. Oh no, I ain't putting that near the bike. Get one of these super sticky things. Looks like a very long turd. Very skinny long turd. And that goes in there. There we go. Get that to about the middle. Okay. Whatever. Let's lever this on. And then I think someone needs a tyre machine. Whack this in here. Give it a look. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, is that it? Put a pound in. Go to 42 psi. Come on. Why is this not doing nothing? Damn it. Which one do you need doing? Do you know what your tyre pressure is? You tell me when to stop. Is it 42 now?
It says end, I think.
Yep. Why won't you work? Unbelievable. Can't believe that was in there. Well, luckily for me, this gent here is going to help me out. He's got one of them tyre pumps in his motor. Hopefully that'll fit on and we'll be able to get this up to pressure. See, there are good people in the world still. Thank you very much, mate. Literally, I've got it. That's just too fat, it won't fit on there. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. Let me just, oh, damn. I might be able to get it. Might. Come on. Excellent.
Ain't got far to go, have you?
I'm going to go to Matlock now. I'm going to risk it. Any excuse to buy new tyres, eh? I'm not hearing nothing. Bonus. I'm going to find another tyre machine and make sure that it's holding pressure properly. Oh, if it can, it will. Oh, my hands are filthy. I've not had much luck with this bike. My God. 41.2 psi, 2.8 bar. The front one, for some reason, never shows up. I haven't got a clue why. It's warmed up a little bit because it's at 42.6 psi. I think we're in the clear, ladies and gents. Thank God. What a morning already, eh? What a morning. I think the front one is, I think the sensor's now good because it's not showing anything at all. So I'm going to have to sort that out as well. Hopefully we don't run over any more files. That would be nice. Hopefully this one works. It'd be nice. I think I've spent about tenner on these machines today already. Never mind. Tyre pressure is still at 40 psi, so I'm happy. I do love this bridge. What a place. This is a Bliffield Reservoir, for those who don't know, with the ice cream truck. I've been suffering with a bit of anxiety, like I've said, also major depression, health issues, all that stuff. But I need to get my arse back into gear and start producing stuff again, because finally I'm fully monetized. Thank God. Thanks to you guys, that is. Well then guys, we just rocked up in Ashbourne. Me, like a silly boy, forgot to change the SD card, so I filled it up, so we lost a little bit of footage on the way here. But we're in Ashbourne and we're going to head our way through to Matlock after I've had a quick coffee. Oh, let's get this up. Oh no, okay, just reset yourself. To be honest, I'm definitely going to get what they call them, the Capuride sat-nav thing, because this BMW Motorrad, I think it's the number 5, Navigator 5, it just seems a bit dated, you know. I think I'm going to upgrade it a little bit, make me feel like I've got a TFT screen and all that, you know what I mean? To be honest, I'm enjoying today's little ride, apart from this morning's palaver with the old puncher. But when it's like this, overcast, it's nothing better than sun, I do know. But when it's overcast like this, it's cool. It's when you've got all this gear on, as you know, it's nice to be under the shade now and again. Here's a couple of bikes, well, 3-4 bikes even. Stick the leg out for these boys. .2 psi now. It's got warm, so I don't think we're losing any. It's just temperature differences. The more I ride this GS, the more I'm starting to love it. Even though I've had a few problems with it, I can see why people stick to them, because they're just absolute chuggers. They keep going and going and going and going and going and going. Gotta be careful on this one. I know there's gravel. I've been watching Peaky Blinders a lot just lately, and I forgot how good it actually is. And the only reason I started watching Peaky Blinders again is because of the Peaky Biker. Yeah, he's a local lad to me. He's a YouTuber. He's really good, to be fair. And I don't know, it just made me watch the Peaky Blinders. Yeah, it's that accent as well. I know I've got a little bit of that accent, but you know, his accent's proper like him, and I mean proper. Seems like a good laugh. I might be going on to his live. I think he does a live Wednesday or something like that. I might be joining that soon, just to go on for a few hours. And who knows, I might go out for a ride with him as well at some point, which will be interesting. But a shout out to the Peaky Biker. If you haven't, go over to his channel, subscribe, and do all that malarkey. He's worth the watch. Does some good videos, quite entertaining. Not a single wave back. Is that because I'm on a GS maybe? Who knows? Welcome to Matlock Bath. Most of you have probably already been here, but it's basically like a little seaside village, pretty much, but in the middle of Britain rather than being on the seaside. A lot of bikers congregate here. The only thing you got to watch around here is you get the traffic warden coming around, and he says you can only spend an hour here, and that is it. Well, we've rocked up here in Matlock, and I'm going to get the kids some little bit of sweets and whatever else, because they've been begging me for it. Then we're going to get some fish and chips and happy days. Right, by popular demand. Sweets everywhere. See what we got. See what the kids want. They had these last time. Here you go.
Thank you. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Cheers, thanks a lot.
Have a good day.
Cheers. Mini fish and chips in a tray. And have curry sauce.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Cheers. So this has held up pretty well, but I do need to replace the tyre. It's been a good stay here in Matlock, and now I'm going to head back home. Until next time guys, this has been Bailotron, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Ta-da.